Okay, what I've got here for you is another video on YouTube thumbnails, part of my series, so do check them out after watching this. I've got a playlist and also links in the video, so have a look at those. But let's keep this short and sweet and get cracking. Now, I'm on another channel here, just one that I kind of use as a scrapbook, and I'm logged in, so I press the icon and then go to Studio, and what I'm going to do is add a thumbnail to an old video just to see how much of a boost it gets, but also to make it just look that much nicer. So if I go into here and go to videos, and the fastest thing, I can just type in the title here. And it was about software engineering because I'm studying that. And you see it hasn't got a thumbnail, but if I press the edit icon, now from here I would recommend opening it in a new tab. Now you can click there and press Control. I've already actually done it. And then have a flick through. Make sure you put it on the highest quality because otherwise it's going to look really quite pixelated. And then you can actually scroll through and find like a freeze frame that kind of works. Now this looks okay, right? I prefer it to the one that it generated automatically, so I can work with this. Now as a little extra tip, if you hover over, you can see the image on the timeline, and when there's like sort of an extreme emotion, then you can get to there. Now this one looks okay at, let's say, 40 seconds mark. If I press the less than and greater than keys on the keyboard, which are left and right arrows, or comma and full stop, and I can actually, and if I click on the video, I can then go through frame by frame by pressing right to go right and then the left arrow to go back. So that you can do that. And then I use a free software called Greenshot. Now if I press print screen on my keyboard, see Greenshot comes over and I can take a screen grab of that. In this case I want to save as displaying dialogue. I want to save that as a file on my computer, so choose where to save it. Kind of funny face, I know, but let's see. And then if I go to another free software, remove BG, and I've got a full video on this that you can see in the card here or after this video in the description. And it's a free bit of software, got more detail in the other video, but you simply just drag and drop your images in and it does remove the background. So if I simply drag and drop the image into there, then you can see uploads and it removes the background. Actually, usually a little bit quicker than that, but very quick still. I can press download and save it wherever I need, and I've got it on my computer. So from there, remember, if this is a bit fast, check out the full video that's a little bit slow with more details. So again, be sure to do that. Go into Canva, create a free account. It's brilliant for that. Again, this is included in the other video. Click in the top right, press the search, and then type in thumbnail and choose the YouTube thumbnail because it gives you an image of the exact right dimensions. And from here, just drag the image wherever you've got it on your computer into the uploads area, and you'll see it pops up. And single click and it puts it in there. Now I'd probably make this kind of about so big. Maybe I'll try and get rid of that little carroty type tuft on top of my head. I might zoom out a little bit by clicking down here. Okay, and then yeah, I even pull this over a little bit. Just yeah, max that out. Okay, from there I can choose a background, maybe this one. Okay, that kind of looks cool. Then some text, and you've got some, you know, given formats, but you can also add a heading and just do one of your own. But let's say I want to use this one. Again, single click, and really, okay, I'm actually going to get rid of that. Really, with YouTube thumbnail text, you don't want more than 4 words probably. And okay, this started off in lowercase, maybe I'll keep it, and something like that. Don't want to get too close to the side, and I don't want it down in that dead space because that's where the duration of the video will be. Maybe I'm going to hit an enter there to make it a little bit more, you know, sort of aesthetically pleasing. Okay, that'll do for me, this quick demonstration, and I can download, and I've got that PNG file coming to my computer. Now you see it's just there. Back to the edit page rather, and then I got upload thumbnail. Now I can click to upload, or I can again just drag in from here, and there you go. And to be honest, it looks quite a lot better, doesn't it? So if I save that, you'll see it comes up here and it shows there as well. And if I just refresh to be sure, then you'll see that it's gone through. And you can see basically all three of these now reflecting the image that I've uploaded. So I think that looks really good, and that's really quick. And like I said, if you want more detail, a bit of a slower process on the thumbnail creation side of things, a bit more input, do check out the video I've got on that, as well as the YouTube playlist. If you found that helpful in any way, remember to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your digital journey.